Are you concerned about getting share code and verifying your immigration status for work or renting purposes? If so, please watch the video until the end, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming updates. What is share code? A share code is a unique code generated by individuals who are not British or Irish citizens to digitally prove their immigration status to others, such as employers or landlords. This code allows them to verify an individual's right to work or rent in the UK without requiring physical documents, streamlining the process and enhancing security. Who can get a share code? You can use this service to get a share code if you have a biometric residence card or permit, a ukvi account. You will have a ukvi account if you have ever applied to the EU settlement scheme, used the UK immigration ID check app to prove your identity when applying for a visa, created one when applying for a visa. You will have received a ukvi account confirmation email, created one to get access to an eVisa. What is View and Prove service? With the View and Prove service, you can view your eVisa online at any time. Get a share code to prove your status to others, for example employers. Update personal details in your ukvi account, for example your passport number or email address. Check what rights you have in the UK, for example the right to work, rent or claim benefits. How to use View and Prove service. To get started, you will need details of the identity document you use to sign into your ukvi account, such as your passport, national identity card, or biometric residence permit, your date of birth, and the mobile number or email address you use to access your account. To use the View and Prove service, go to government.uk/view-prove-immigration-status and sign in using your ukvi account details. Once you have signed in, you will be able to view your eVisa to check what rights you have in the UK. To share your immigration status, select Get a Share Code on the eVisa page. It is important you choose the right option. For example, selecting To Prove My Right to Work will share information only on your right to work in the UK, and the share code generated cannot be used to prove your status for any other reason, for example, your right to rent, study or access benefits. Your three options are: to prove your right to work, to prove your right to rent in England, to prove your immigration status for anything else. When you provide a share code to an organization to check your status, they will only see the information related to the share code and they won't have access to your account. Once you have picked the reason for sharing, and you have selected Continue, you will be taken to a page which shows you what the person checking your status will see. Then select Create a Share Code and it's ready for sharing. You can make a note of the share code or email it to yourself or someone else. There are no limits on how many times you can request a share code. You may want to consider getting your share code in advance to avoid situations where you have limited access to your device or network. For your privacy and security, the share code will expire after 90 days, and you will need to get a new one. You do not need to prove your status again every 90 days. Some government bodies such as the NHS or the DWP will usually be able to confirm your status automatically. In these cases, you will not be asked to share your status. What if I don't have a valid visa, proof of work, or access to an eVisa? If you have an outstanding visa application or appeal, and you cannot present a valid right to work documents or get share code, your employer can use the employer checking service and request the Home Office to confirm your right to work. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.